The Christmas Train Surprise. When the town's toy train magically releases wish-filled notes, Conductor Barnaby and little Ivy diss. In the center of the snowy town square stood a giant Christmas tree. Conductor Barnaby smiled as he wound the key of the famous toy train. "All aboard for Christmas," he cheered, while Pip the puppy barked happily at the spinning wheels. Suddenly, the train did something new. The little headlights glowed brighter than the North Star, and the tiny red doors on the train cars swung open all by themselves. Click-clack, swoosh! Little Ivy gasped in wonder. Hundreds of tiny paper scrolls floated out of the train doors like magic snowflakes. They swirled in the air, landing softly in the mittens of the children watching nearby. Ivy opened a scroll. "This is a wish for kindness," she shouted. Other children read theirs too. "Mine is a wish for friendship," called a boy. The air was filled with happy whispers and crinkling paper. Then Barnaby found a note that had no name. He read it aloud to the quiet crowd. "I wish no one feels alone this Christmas." The town grew very still. It was the most important wish of all. The townspeople cheered. They set up a long table right in the square so everyone could eat together. No one was alone. The magical train chugged happily, knowing its job was done. The end. When the town's toy train magically releases wish-filled notes, Conductor Barnaby and little Ivy discover a wish that brings the whole town together.